So I didn't really film much of putting this transmission back in the car because it's pretty much just the reverse of taking it out. Also, I was lazy. But what I did film was putting in one of these Magnefine filters. See, this transmission is so badly designed that the only filter is inside the transmission. You have to take it completely apart to replace it. So people will often put in an aftermarket filter. We're going to put it on the cooler hoses. This is the radiator, and the transmission fluid flows this way into the radiator to get cooled and out through this tube back to the transmission. We're going to put the filter right here on the return line. Problem is, it doesn't fit with this pipe here. So we're going to get rid of this pipe, get rid of this hose too, and replace it with a longer hose back to the transmission. First, you're going to want to flush out the radiator. First with compressed air, and then with some radiator flush. Look how much gunk I got out of it. So here under the car, take this bit of hose out, and the filter will go right here. This is the pipe we'll be bypassing, and this is some 3/8 hose I got from AutoZone. And here it is, all put in with some hose clamps. It's pretty simple. Oh, nice. That was good, Brad. What the fuck? Oh, now you use your turn signal? What the fuck is you doing? Bit of a high shift there. Yeah, of course, when I want it to, it's not really doing it. Sometimes there'll be a little hard shift between like 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. Not terrible, but noticeable. But it's not really doing it right now. It's on and off. And it's a lot better when the car is warm. Once it's warm, it generally doesn't do it at all. And sometimes I'll even get a little bit of a hard shift from 3 to 4. But there was a little one. Overall, it's pretty good. It's completely drivable. And I think it'll last me a while. It's a good little car. Relatively low miles, not a lot of rust. I think it's pretty good for never having built a transmission before. My first time just following YouTube videos and the Helms manual. I think it was pretty decent. People are staring at me like, why the fuck this guy got a fucking GoPro on his head? The hell? Let me try something here. Lots of times the kicks are worse from when you're accelerating slowly, like at lower RPMs. So let me try that real quick. Nope, didn't do it. There was a little one. It's probably hard to tell on the camera too. There was another one. like I said, there's just little tiny kicks and flares occasionally, but nothing that really, you know, it doesn't make it undrivable, and I don't think that it's gonna like damage the transmission. My guy, you're in the wrong side of the road. The fuck? People don't know how to drive. Overall, I'm happy with it. And these transmissions are apparently kind of supposed to shift a little bit hard. I mean, they're basically, they're set up just like a manual transmission. On the the gears are set up like a manual transmission, but they shift automatically, obviously. So by default, it's going to be just a little bit harder of a shift, a little bit of a kick. So I think it's pretty much normal, except for the couple little quirks that are there, which, by the way, are pretty much the same things that were wrong with it before I fixed it, but way better. Like before, it was like undrivable. You know, I would come, like say I would come to this stop right here, it would still be in second gear all the way until I stopped, sit there for like 2 seconds, and then go poof, and kick into the first gear. And then same thing accelerating, we'd go from first to second, it would be like, it would rev real high and then slam into second. It doesn't do that anymore, so fix that. Overall, I'm happy with it. I said that already.